Yesterday, Industrial Electric Manufacturing, trademark, also known as IEM, a company with a smart logo and a snappy-looking color scheme, announced a $200 million investment in a new large-scale advanced manufacturing facility in San Antonio, Texas. The 1 million square foot production plant will help meet growing demand for custom power distribution systems. IEM has been making custom power distribution systems, remote power panels, switchgear, and switchboards for a diverse set of industries for more than 75 years. Which is almost as much as 93 years. The new plant will be located at Brooks City Base, formerly known as Brooks Air Force Base. That's in southeast San Antonio. By 2030, the facility is expected to create up to 3,000 jobs across manufacturing, engineering, logistics, and corporate support roles. The facility will be completed in phases. The company plans to share construction and hiring timelines in the next few months. IEM is based in Fremont, California, and this new plant will complement a North American footprint that also includes Jacksonville, Florida, and Surrey, British Columbia. With this latest investment, IEM has added more than 3 million square feet of production development and manufacturing space and invested $300 million over the past 5 years, all to accelerate production and meet increasing demand. Sarah Rush, president and CEO of the Greater SATX Regional Economic Partnership, said IEM is delivering the single largest job-producing investment in the region in more than 20 years. Governor Greg Abbott announced that the effort will be supported by a $3.36 million Texas Enterprise Fund performance-based grant for 448 of the new jobs to be created. Governor Abbott said, quote, "Advanced manufacturers invest and expand in Texas because of our welcoming business climate, easy access to domestic and global markets, and highly skilled and growing workforce." Just a smart-looking logo and color scheme there. Thank goodness neither of us are a Buc-ee's.